Guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I decided to do a kind of like few days in my life type of video. We're gonna be going out, me and Naraya, on like a girls' day brunch. So I haven't really decided where we're gonna go. We could either go to like a very, you know, low-key diner type of breakfast spot, which those type of spots have the best breakfast, or we can go to like a more upscale spot. So I'm not really sure which angle I want to go. I'm trying to figure out what I'm in the mood for. So I'm gonna try to film a little bit. This month has been very like busy, but in a good way. So I haven't really been able to be on YouTube as much as I would normally be. Why is my camera? As you guys know, we launched on Amazon at the beginning of this month, and that has went so well. So if you guys have not picked up your growth oil, we have a new enhanced growth oil. I told you guys about it in my previous video, and it's now on Amazon so that you guys can conveniently shop it, especially if you have Amazon Prime. So it's been a lot of like good things happening, just to say the least. But yeah, enough talking. I'm about to head out to brunch with Naraya. So it is the next day, and I'm currently trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear for dinner tonight. It's my boyfriend's birthday, so we are going to be headed out to a nice dinner. In these two dresses, I have this dress here and this dress here. I think I'm gonna go with this dress because this one's like a little bit more form-fitting, and this is a little more loose. And I want to get like, I don't know, I feel like this dress is a little bit more dramatic. It goes down really long as well. So I don't know. I'm in between these two maxi dresses, and I'm trying to decide which one I'm going to go with. And then I'm also going to be putting on my perfumes. I think I'm going to go with this one, which is the Floral Violet. These were sent over to me by Dossier, and Dossier is sponsoring today's video. For you guys who do not know, Dossier is the ultimate destination for luxury perfumes. And this month they sent over the Floral Honeysuckle. They also sent over the Floral Violets. They are doing luxury fragrances, but they are doing this at an affordable price tag, and they're inspired by the most iconic brands such as Versace, the one that I'm wearing tonight, which is inspired by Marc Jacobs, and that is the Floral Violet. And they send you this package with all the information of the fragrances that you choose. And then of course I have the Floral Honeysuckle here as well. So yes guys, if you want to shop Dossier's perfumes at an affordable price, I'm gonna have the link down in the description box. And I also have a 5% off code if you use my code down below. So make sure that you guys click down below if you want to try out these fragrances. But right now you can get it for even more affordable because like I said, I do have a 5% discount down below. I'm gonna try and put in some clips of my get ready with me. If I don't get to do that because we are running late and my hair of course is not done yet, I will definitely put in some clips of our date night. So currently I'm preparing dinner. It's the next day, by the way. And so I have my mushroom because I'm gonna make this like mushroom pasta with tomatoes and sun-dried tomatoes, and I also have basil, and just gonna put a lot of different fruits and vegetables into this pasta. And for those of you who are like, oh my gosh, she's gonna put fruits in there, remember that tomatoes are fruits. And also I'm gonna put zucchini in, which is, if you guys did not know, zucchini is a fruit as well. So yeah guys, I'm just going to go ahead and prepare all of this. Pastries from my local bakery, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited because this one in particular, I have been watching their website every single day to order it because it's always sold out about time I wake up and go down there, because like apparently people come and get their bakery pastries very early in the morning. So let me show you guys what I got. I have this here, which is a twice baked croissant, blueberry Danish, I think it's called. Sweet cinnamon croissant roll or something like that. And then I got these two cookies as well. I got a chocolate chip cookie for my fiance, and then I have this almond cookie that I think I'm going to eat later. These pastries are made with all natural ingredients, but of course they're still an indulgent because they have like powdered sugar and all that stuff. But they're handmade and they're made from like wholesome ingredients, y'all know this is still considered like a indulgent. So yeah, I'm so excited to finally get these. But yeah, I'm gonna try them out, and if they're good, I'm gonna try some more of their pastries. But these type of pastries are like my favorite. So like I like donuts, but sometimes donuts can be like too filling, and so I like more of like croissant desserts. So yeah. Sitting here on my computer because I am looking up a lot of different like things to do for our, I guess you can say, engagement party, but we're actually just gonna go on a trip because we're not really like I'm not gonna say I'm not a party person, but kind of like not a party person. Me and my fiance both are just not, like, we just like to do our own thing. So normally people have like big engagement parties, or they'll have like, you know, like an engagement dinner to celebrate their engagement or whatever people want to have a particular party for. We decided to do a trip. So right now I'm just looking on my computer because I'm trying to figure out what where to go, like what state to go to, or like what we're gonna do. We had Cali at the forefront. That's where we were gonna go back to California, to a different part of California. But a lot has happened, and California had a really huge disaster recently. For those of you who are in California and you watch my channel, I hope that you are safe and that you are okay. And also people who are in Hawaii right now, I really hope that you guys are okay. It's just been a little bit crazy around the world. Cali was like our first pick. We were, you know, we had everything settled for that particular state, and we were going to go to a different part of Cali because last time we went to Los Angeles, and we were going to just hit Los Angeles up for like, you know, a little bit, and then we're going to go to a different part of California. But like I said, those plans have changed, and so now I'm just trying to find the perfect spot to go to. I know I want to go somewhere that has a beach, so, you know, I did read a comment on my Instagram. No, it wasn't on Instagram. It was on my YouTube channel in my community tab. I put up a poll basically saying like, what do you guys want to watch? What do you guys want to see? And a lot of you, of course, picked hair care for the poll. But then someone did comment and say that they would like to see like a wedding series, or like how different things I'm doing to like prepare for my wedding. But right now, of course, it's just the prepping stages. So like I said, I'm just looking up different flights that we can probably take, and like just different stuff that we can do. So all of the prepping that kind of goes into like getting ready for a trip. So if you guys have any suggestions on perfect places to go that are not too like, because we're actually looking for like a more romantic area to go to. So yeah, if you guys know like some beachy areas that we can go to, or if you're in California and you know some areas that are not really like affected by hurricane that happened, then I don't know, let me know down in the comment section, or if you have any suggestions in general for how to, you know, just make this whole wedding process go smoothly. Let me know down in the comment section, because I feel like that I am super ready. I've never wanted to be like one of those people who wait forever to get married. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna continue to do a bit of research and look up some more flights and stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and hopefully I'm able to post again soon.